Dear conference attendants, the title of the paper we will present is Affecting Social Change, School, Refugee and Immigrant Reception. In a diverse environment, such as the school environment, the attitude of the state and educators towards the situation inevitably impacts their behavior and stance towards all groups of diversity. Educators intensely experience the world's problems and from a very early stage feel the significant political and social changes that arise in the societies of people as the school, especially the public school, reflects all significant developments and thus they must be prepared to address any issue that arises. The establishment of a new subject, the skills workshop, in Greek kindergartens, primary and secondary schools, aims to bring about social change by creating a society that instills respect and love for diversity in everyone. The skills workshops constitute an innovative course in dynamic teaching and educational action which involves the addition of new thematic units focusing on skills in the mandatory school timetable using contemporary and innovative learning methods. The fundamental principle of the skills workshop is to combine the cognitive field of the curriculum with the development of the students' basic competencies, aiming at their formation into free and responsible citizens. The objectives of the skills workshops aim to enhance the cultivation of soft skills, life skills, technology and science skills in students. Those objectives of the skills workshops include learning through cooperative, creative and critically reflective teaching methodology, strengthening life skills, fostering responsibility, critical thinking, empathy and programmatic thinking. It empowers students to resolve conflicts now and in the future, guided by the principles of social justice. The program and educational material of the skills workshops are grouped into 4 thematic units. The thematic units are derived from the Global Sustainable Development Indicators such as environment, well-being, safety, civil society, social awareness, empathy, modern technology, entrepreneurship, and focus on the following thematic areas which were shaped in their final form by the pilot implementation of the skills workshops during the school year 2020-2021. In the thematic cycle of the lesson, Engaging Social Awareness and Responsibility, students are encouraged to learn about human rights, volunteering, and meditation. Throughout experiential and collaborative activities, the student body learns about inclusion, respect, love, and respect for diversity. These skills are reinforced throughout life and enable citizens to evolve in changing work environments and society, as well as to cope with the complexity and uncertainty of the modern world. This research aims to explore educators' views on whether skills workshops contribute to promoting respect for diversity. Additionally, it aims to determine if the workshops indeed aid in the relationships between foreign refugee and native students and to examine which activities and actions conducted within the workshops have been most helpful for students in addressing issues of discrimination and diversity. A qualitative research study was conducted with 7 teachers using semi-structured interviews at a central primary school in Patras, which serves as a reception center for refugees and immigrants. The interview was divided into 3 parts. The first part involved basic demographic questions to make the participants feel more comfortable. The second part consisted of questions about the contribution of skills workshops to promoting respect for diversity. In the final part, educators were asked which practices of the course they believed helped them most in improving relationships and resolving differences among native, immigrant and refugee students. Skills workshops are crucial for educators in promoting respect for diversity, as they are flexible and foster collaboration. Additionally, they facilitated discussions on social justice issues and incorporate experiential empathy-building activities such as asking questions like, How does the child feel whose home was destroyed by bombs? According to educators, these workshops provide rich digital material showcasing customs and traditions from other countries, presented to students in all classes. Furthermore, educators manage to instill values and love for diversity in children through an interdisciplinary approach, combining them with academic subjects. The skills workshops offer students time for exchanging thoughts and feelings while also encouraging the development of social responsibility. Through worksheets containing conflict resolution and anger management activities, students quickly address and resolve their differences, understanding that not everyone has the same prerequisites. Presenting other countries in class highlights the value of diversity, encouraging students to reflect and think of ways to improve themselves. The majority of educators emphasized that skill workshops are particularly helpful if a culture oriented towards creative learning and inclusion has been established in the school, encouraging students to become active and responsible citizens. They strongly noted that their school has achieved this because their students come from different countries and it has succeeded in fostering the emotional well-being of native students, refugees and foreign students. Educators emphasize that through skills workshops they have improved their relationships with their students. Activities using literature with themes related to diversity, such as the book My Friend, an allegorical fairy tale teaching children to appreciate differences and the value of friendship, have been particularly effective. Role-playing games have also helped develop empathy and understanding of others' perspectives. Educators consider group games to be among the most important as they enhance relationships among their students. When students cooperate, they realize the value of diversity. Educators emphasize that workshops provide an opportunity to discuss human rights. The activity for searching one's identity and that of others helps students understand that everyone is equal even if they're different. Educators highlight that visual and auditory stimuli on themes of diversity, such as videos and songs, greatly assist students in becoming a team with the principles of equality. In conclusion, educators in skills workshops achieve respect and acceptance through group experiential activities and games. Cooperation and conflict resolution among immigrant, refugee and local students are better achieved through the use of videos on diversity and the use of literature. All activities in skills workshops promote social change through the reflective activities they offer. Thank you very much.